Exness Broker Review. You're about to see whether Exness is a solid broker worth your time, or one you should approach with caution. So grab your device, let's roll and walk you through the key points you need to know. You open Exness and you're told you can trade Forex, crypto, and CFDs with tight spreads. High leverage, instant withdrawals, they position themselves as a global multi-asset broker, regulated, catering to both beginners and professionals. But you stop and ask, can you ask or trust those claims in reality? Here are the strong points you'll find. Exness holds multiple regulatory licenses, for example, with Financial Conduct Authority, Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commissions, which gives you more safety. Good trading conditions. Many users' reviews report positive experiences, quick deposits, withdrawals, user-friendly interface. So yes, if you decide to use Exness, there are definitely legitimate strengths. But you also need to know the trickier parts. Exness isn't accessible in some countries. Example, US and Canada, due to regulatory restrictions. Some account types have commissions or floating spreads. There are users' complaints, delays in withdrawals, account restrictions, support issues. Educational resources are limited, which may make it harder for beginners. So you're seeing, yes, it's real, but it's not perfect or risk-free. Here's how you should approach it. Start with a demo account. Test the platform with risking real money. Second, deposit only what you can afford to lose. Third, complete all the KYC verifications. Fourth, check the payment withdrawal methods. Then, monitor your account closely for any odd behavior. So, my final verdict is that Exness is legitimate and usable. Yes, it ticks the boxes of regulations, good trading conditions, and user-friendly tools, but it's not flawless. If you go into expecting zero risk, you'll be disappointed. Treat it as a tool, not a magic money machine. If you're serious about trading, it's a strong option. If you're looking for guaranteed profits or low risk, you'll want to keep your expectations realistic. Thanks for riding through this review. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and follow for more. And that's it.